Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Kenny from Vickaakin. Happy New Year. Today I'm going to teach you guys how I do my single crochet goddess locks for it to be able to look realistic. As you guys can see, you can't really tell that it's crochet. So the first thing I'll show you is the braid pattern. In the middle I do the cornrows, and the front, the side, and the back I do the single braids. That way my client can put it up, style it however they want, if they want to, and make sure you braid it without extension. You want to do it without extension, because if you do it with extension, it might not come out right. It might be too longer than the locks that you got. You want to get the Freetress locks. It's the best locks that you want to get. It's the best. I've used other product, nothing compared to that. So make sure you get the Freetress here. Right now I'm just trying to crochet the singles in, so that way you guys can see. It's pretty easy. You just get your latch hook, open it up, put the lock in it, pull it through the hair, and put the ends of the hair inside the open spot and pull it out. It's basically easy. And for this, you don't really need to do like knot it like twice. You don't need all of that. And for you to be able to know what to wrap, right? So when you crochet it, you want to use your hand to like unravel it and see the direction the hair is being wrapped. So as soon as you see the way it's being wrapped, you want to just pull your, the natural hair in it and wrap it. It's just like you're doing the regular goddess locks, but the only difference is this has been pre-wrapped, so it's pretty easy for you to wrap it. You just follow, just go with the wrap, go with the flow. So you're gonna keep doing it until you get to the ends of the hair. Make sure the ends of the hair is wrapped too, because you don't want it to start poking out. And once you're done wrapping to the end, you're gonna take it and palm roll it. So right now I'm just gonna crochet all the hair in, and then when I'm done crocheting them in, and then I'm gonna wrap them. That way I don't have to, like, you know, keep going back and forth. Just doing the cornrow part of the crochet. So you just, on the cornrow part, I did some with one knot and it kind of was coming out, so I would advise for you to like knot it like twice. Make sure you knot it twice, that way it stays in and it doesn't come out of the hair. I was done in about 3 hours. If your hair is long, maybe 3.5 hours. Thank you for watching this video. This is a short video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this video was helpful. And let me know if you have any video suggestion that you want me to make. I will gladly do that. Bye guys. Have a nice day. ODABO.